There are various methods of fasting, and one of the methods that has picked up in recent years is fasting with bone broth. By the end of this video, you should be able to understand what bone broth is, how it can aid in fasting, and how you can make it at home. It has proven to be super effective for thousands of people, and hopefully you can try it too. Bone broth fasting is not one of the traditional types of fasting. Under the normal fast, you would not eat or drink anything for a certain period of time. Since the main idea of the fast is to not give your body any calories during that period of time. Bone broth fasting is a type of fast in which you are encouraged to drink water and bone broth during your fasting period. With bone broth fasting, you are actually going to be giving your body calories from the bone broth, and hence it is not your typical type of fast. It is also easier to do bone broth fasting compared to traditional fasting methods, since you will get some form of energy from the bone broth. Before we get into more details, let's cover some basics first. Bone broth is a nutrient-rich liquid made by simmering bones, vegetables, and herbs for an extended period of time. You would be getting a liquid that is rich in collagen, gelatin, amino acids, and minerals that can provide various health benefits, including supporting the immune system, reducing inflammation, and promoting healthy skin, hair, and nails. So in general, bone broth is a pretty healthy drink that can be beneficial for your health. You do not need to consume bone broth only when fasting. You can even consume it when you are not fasting. However, there are additional benefits when you fast with bone broth. Bone broth is hydrophilic in nature. What this means is that it attracts water. When you consume bone broth on an empty stomach, the enzymes from the bone broth will go to your gut and intestines. Drinking water after this would make the water get accumulated in your gut and intestine. This is particularly healthy for your gut and intestinal health. This will help you detox your gut and intestines and improve your overall digestion. So using this fasting method, you actually gain a combined benefits. The first is the benefits of fasting, which includes weight loss, reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity. The second is the benefits of bone broth, which includes better skin health, joint health, hair health, and better immune system. And the third is the benefits of fasting with bone broth, which includes cleansing the gut and digestive system, providing a better overall health. Now, let's discuss how to properly fast with bone broth. First, it's important to choose high-quality bone broth that is made from grass-fed and organic animal bones. Avoid bone broth that contains additives, preservatives, or artificial flavors. During the fasting period, it's recommended to consume only bone broth and water. You can also add herbs or spices to your bone broth to enhance its flavor. It's important to gradually increase the length of your bone broth fast. Start with a shorter fast, such as a 12-hour fast with bone broth, then gradually increase until you can fast for 24 hours with just bone broth and water. After you pass this threshold, you can fast up to 2 times a week with just bone broth. Whenever you are fasting and start to feel dizzy, lightheaded, or even have a feeling that you would be fainting, we recommend you break your fast immediately. Keep a couple of energy bars with you at all times in case you feel dizzy. Although under normal circumstances, if you are fasting with bone broth, you would be more fit and energized. Now, we suggest that you make bone broth at home. It is pretty easy. You'll need some animal bones, such as beef, chicken, or fish bones, as well as some vegetables, herbs, and spices. Here's a simple bone broth recipe to get you started. 4 pounds of beef bones, 2 carrots, 2 stalks of celery, 1 onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, water to cover. Add all ingredients to a large pot and cover with enough water. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 24 to 48 hours. Remove the solids and strain the broth. Store in the fridge or freezer until ready to use. In summary, fasting with bone broth can be a great way to support your body during a fast. It's high in nutrients, low in calories, and can help alleviate some of the symptoms of fasting. To incorporate bone broth into your routine, you can do a bone broth fast or have it during your regular fasting window. And remember to use high-quality ingredients and simmer the broth for at least 24 hours for optimal benefits. Hope this video helped you out, and you can always support us by giving us a like and sharing this video to friends and families. We have more health secrets coming up. Hope to see you in our next videos. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.